Hey guys, we are going to make one of Dante's favorite dishes. Salsicce al forno in the oven with potatoes, peppers, onions. Old school Italian style, easy. And if you like these recipes, right Dante, what do? Subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, first thing, potatoes. So I have some potatoes here. We're just gonna give them a good rinse.
One is done.
Yeah, how many? You like lots of potatoes in the oven, right?
I love potatoes.
You love potatoes. Right now, we're just going to peel them. Even if you don't get all of it, there's some potato skin, that's all cool. I mean, because that's what Nana would do. I'm just gonna cut them, just like that. These go all here. Woo! Woo! Onion. So what I like to do, Dante, is just a rough chop, fairly thick because the onions burn.
Oh, onions. I don't like onions.
Oh, Dante. Do you like peppers?
Are they hot?
Dante, they are so hot, they're gonna blow your head off.
They're not.
No, they're not. They're not hot at all, actually. Sweet orange peppers, chop them up.
Sausages.
Sausages.
Yay!
Just cut them up in thirds, a half, just so we can mix them easy. I'm also putting in some hot sausage for me.
That it better not be too hot.
Oh, don't worry, Dante, if it is, it's more for me. It's done, the prep's done, now we're gonna season it. Good amount of salt. Olive oil, Dante. Now, vino bianco, white wine. Siamo pronti? Siamo pronti? Siamo pronti. Now, Dante, you can't tell everyone how to make this, otherwise I'm gonna be out of a job. It's always really important that...
To drink.
Well, it's not important to drink, but it's important to... Hey, Georgia, it's important that we have a nice drink while we're cooking. Now, we're gonna add a little splash of white wine.
Why do you need that?
Because this just gives a little moisture. This is gonna go into a hot oven.
Hot.
Hot, I mean caldo, caldissimo. About 450 degrees for about 45 minutes, an hour. Just keep checking it. When it gets nice and golden and roasted, it's done and si mangia.
Si mangia.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. Okay.
Dad.
Yeah.
What about those stuff
What stuff?
on the counter?
That stuff?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna give you an activity, a really fun activity.
What activity?
The fun activity is, let's see if Dante can clean up the kitchen.
Let's see if you can clean up the kitchen.
Now we have to check the sausages and everything. Okay, look at that, Dante, beautiful. Nice. We're going to taste it.
Can I have some?
Ready, bud? Try it. Go. Okay. I love how you taste, Dante. Close your eyes. It's like a spiritual thing for you. This is going back in the oven for another 20 minutes until it gets nice and crispy. The wine will make the potatoes soft, and that's what's going on. So it's a bit of a mush with some crispy edges, and that's exactly what we want. Oh yeah. Here, bud, try this. Look at this. Nice, beautiful sausages. Peppers. Rocco, how is it, bud?
Perfect.
Is it too spicy?
Yeah.
Because there is a couple of spicy sausages in there. When it's good, Dante's a man of few words.
The potatoes are good, the peppers are good, and
There you have it, guys. This is Dante Rocco approved.